Let's start our practice with placing our hands on our heart. Take a deep inhale and exhale. Take another inhale and exhale. Set an intention for this practice. Inhale, exhale, beautiful. Hands lead the way to the mat slowly. And grab your forearms, swing from side to side. Relax your lumbar spine. Breathe, deep inhale and exhale. Deep inhale and exhale. Now you can grab your big toes and allow your body to relax. Go deeper with each inhale and each exhale. Let go of those things that no longer serve you and simply relax. Beautiful. Now place your hands on the mat. Slowly go down to child's pose. Spread your knees wide. Lengthen your spine. And go deeper into the pose with each exhale. Inhale, invite lightness. Exhale, go deeper. Take a deep inhale. Invite lightness into your body. And exhale, go deeper into the pose. Breathe into the lumbar spine. Take a deep inhale into the lumbar spine and exhale, relax. Inhale and exhale, move to the side. Take a deep inhale and exhale. Another deep inhale and exhale, relax. Hold it for a moment. Let go of any tension, any stored energy in the body. And switch side. Take a deep inhale and exhale, go deeper. Inhale and exhale. Take a deep inhale and exhale. And hold it for a moment. And come back to the center. Beautiful. Now we're moving slowly into a puppy pose. Open up your chest and stretch it out. Inhale and exhale. Deep inhale and exhale. Deep inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale. Amazing. Now we're moving gently to a downward facing dog. Push the ground away. Open up your chest. Glutes pull you to the sky. Heels glued to the mat. Beautiful. And step with your right leg on the mat into a pigeon pose. And we're going to breathe in here. Breathe out anything that no longer serves us. Inhale and exhale. Deep inhale and exhale. You can think about something that makes you happy. If you can list 2 things, that's already amazing. A little bit of multitasking while doing yoga, it's a great thing. Now you can move gently, hands on the mat, and push yourself back to downward facing dog. Push the ground away. At this moment I noticed a spider on my mat. So here we go, yoga with a spider. And now the other side. Place your left leg on the mat into a pigeon pose. Beautiful. Inhale and exhale. Deep inhale and exhale. Keep your chest open. Now you can list 2 or 3 things that you're grateful for. What are those things? What did you receive today? What did you experience today? Deep inhale and exhale. Another deep inhale into the hips, into the heart, and exhale. Let those glutes relax. Breathe consciously all the time. And let's move gently. Hands on the mat and come back to downward facing dog. Push the ground away. Open up your chest. Glutes pull you to the sky. Heels glued to the mat. Deep inhale and exhale. Another deep inhale and exhale. Come back with your glutes onto the mat. And now seated forward bend. Take a moment in here. Adjust if you need to. And now, if you can, grab your big toes and let's create waves with our torso. So inhale, you open up the chest. Exhale, you pull the belly to your legs. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, open up. Exhale, pull. Inhale, open up. And exhale, go down. Now grab your legs and just, you can stay at any level you are. Deep inhales and exhales. Deep inhale and exhale. And waves once again. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Deep inhale and exhale. Relax. Let your body do the work. With each exhale, you go deeper. With each inhale, you invite lightness into the body. And breathe. Beautiful. And let's move gently. Place your right foot on the outside part of your left knee and push yourself away with your left arm. Tall spine, open up the chest. Beautiful. And relax, recenter. Now change the side. Do the same thing on the other side. Open up your chest, push yourself away from the leg. Deep inhale, exhale, go deeper. Deep inhale and exhale, recenter. Come to the center of your mat, to a lotus pose. Take it slowly. Be gentle to yourself. And recenter, beautiful. Place your hands on your heart and listen to your heartbeat. Really connect to that heart space, to love, compassion, understanding. Be grateful. You've done such an amazing job. Beautiful practice. Deep inhale and exhale. One more inhale, hands go to the sky, and exhale to your third eye.